The Federal High Court in Abuja has removed Julius Abure as the national chairman of the Labour Party, citing a Supreme Court ruling that affirmed the legitimacy of the party's caretaker leadership. In a judgment delivered on Wednesday, Peter Lifu, the presiding judge, relied on the Supreme Court verdict of April 4, 2025 to declare Nenadi Usman, former Minister of Finance, as the valid leader of the party, pending the conduct of a national convention. Lifu ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to recognize the Usman-led caretaker committee as the only valid authority to represent the Labour Party until the party elects a new substantive leadership. The ruling followed a suit filed by Usman, who listed Abure, the Nigerian Labour Congress, INEC, and others as defendants. In his decision, the judge held that evidence before the court showed that Abure's tenure as national chairman has expired. He dismissed Abure's argument that the dispute was an internal party matter, not subject to judicial intervention, ruling instead that the establishment of a caretaker committee was a necessity arising from the Supreme Court directives. The leadership crisis in Labour Party had earlier prompted the party's National Executive Committee, NEC, to remove Abure from office. To address the vacuum, the party constituted a 29-member caretaker committee chaired by Usman.
The party's NEC statutory members, led by Dr. Alex Oti, who is the highest statutory member of NEC, having being the man who is holding the highest political office on behalf of the party, they came together and resolved to vest their leadership in Dr. Nenadi Usman as chairman of their National Caretaker Committee to help and facilitate a proper national convention. For the avoidance of doubt, the court also ordered that INEC should, as a matter of fact, recognize every correspondence from Dr. Nenadi Usman as the valid and the only recognized chairman of Labour Party.
So what was your reaction to the ruling when it came?
Honestly, I was very happy. I just kept thanking God, and then of course I appreciated my team of lawyers and the judiciary, because I believe that for democracy to really thrive, the judiciary has to play a very, very crucial role, which is what we saw today. I believe it has brought an end to the crisis. So it's now left for us to put everybody back on the table to discuss, make peace, and then forge ahead. Because the most important thing we have to do now is, apart from reconciliation, of course, is to start organizing congresses right from the ward to the local government, state, and have a national convention at the end.
So you have talked about moving forward, but we have seen in recent months, prominent figures, including Peter Obi, defecting to the ADC. What does this mean for the party now moving forward? What are the plans? What is the mantra now that you have taken over as the leadership of the party?
His Excellency Peter Obi, as presidential hopeful, is free to go into any political party he feels would give him the chance to run. And because, just like you said, this issue has been protracted. It's been long from one court to the other. If you remember, the first time all this happened, we even went as far as going to the Supreme Court. So it's been over a year that we've been going in and out of court. So I believe he must have lost patience and must have lost hope that maybe things could actually be put right, which may have been the reason why he moved. But of course, we wish him well, we respect his decision, and we'll always pray for him. But for the Labour Party, a political party is not built around one person. It's a party made up of different people from all over the country. So we will weather the storm and we'll come out stronger, so long as everybody comes together, we reconcile among ourselves, and we forge ahead to build a stronger political party.
Is there any possibility that he would likely return to the party to get the ticket for 2027?
I don't know. I haven't spoken to him about it, but I don't know.
We understand that when the Supreme Court gave the judgment, Julius Abure is still operating from, the headquarters of the party. So where would you be operating from now, moving forward?
Moving forward, we would go back to the headquarters. As a woman, I'm a woman of peace. Right from day one, when Supreme Court gave judgment in my team's favor, we tried to take over the National Secretariat, but when we noticed that there was going to be some kind of fracas, we went and got a different office and started operating from there. But now with this unambiguous ruling that we got today, I believe that Julius Abure himself would willingly let us take over the place. But everything would be done peacefully, I can assure you.